Hi everyone, welcome to the item receipt guide for adjusting the quantity that you received. This guide is for the scenario where you've closed an ASN and you realize that the quantity that you received is incorrect. So most likely you've received too much of what you actually thought you received. So for example, I have an item receipt open here. You can see the second line, I've actually received 26 of this SKU. So if I want to adjust this to 25, how would I do this? So if I click on 26, what I do is select the one location. So if you have a 3PL connection, you're likely going to have one virtual location. In any case, just select the location here where the item is stored, and you're going to select pick. And let's say I wanted to lower it from 26 to 25. So in that case, I'm going to enter 1 here and click the check mark, and you can see the quantity change is -1. And you can hit close. So you can see here now it's gone down by 25. So if I click save now, I've actually reduced the quantity on the item receipt. So if the now what happens is the PO for this item receipt, this PO4 here, it's actually going to show the quantity received column has also gone down by 1. So you have the option to create another ASN on this PO for the remaining quantity that you actually did not receive, and you can close it out. So that's in the scenario where basically you accidentally receive too much, but you're expecting some of this quantity to come in later on. So you can always create an ASN on that PO for the remaining quantity. But this is basically how you adjust it so that this quantity goes down for an item receipt. And just remember to hit save, and that'll update the item receipt.